Hello everyone, I am Sesha Sai Srivatsav and I am a graduate student at Northeastern and I took web development and this is the homepage for the web development course. Here are the quick links. Here's a link to my GitHub account and Web App Maker is the web application that we built along with the classes, and FilmNerd is an application that I worked on. Here I'll be posting this video and these are the topics covered in the class, and here's something about myself, and here are the instructions on how to reach me. So let us jump to FilmNerd applications homepage. In FilmNerd you can search movies by name, you can search movies that are playing around you, and also check out the upcoming movies. We have two types of users, a regular user and an admin user. A user, regardless of his login or not, can search by movies that are playing around him and find the information about the movies, check out the actors of a film, but a user needs to be logged in to follow reviewers or be able to drop a rating and a review. And the admin will be able to see the flagged reviews, he can manage users and the movies. So to begin with, you can enter a movie name here or log in and do the same thing again. So let's look up for a film. So here are the search results for the movies with name Inception in them. And I'm actually looking for the Inception, this one. I'll be taken to the homepage, movie info page, and I'm showing the release date, the genre, and IMDb critics rating and the film nerd rating. The film nerd rating is the average rating of all the users given to this film. In my application, I have the movie poster and the trailer and a short summary of the film and the actors acted in this film. Here are the user reviews. If I say I want to rate this movie, it says I must be able to log in to do it. A non-logged in users can also check out the cast details, biography, and notable roles in. In every page, I have the search bar so that the user can search for the movies quickly. So in the default homepage shows me the movies playing around you and the upcoming movies. So let us log in with one of our standard IDs. Let's say Bob, and it'll take me to Bob's profile page. All the reviews that Bob has submitted and all the ratings that Bob has submitted and the users that Bob is following. Bob can also unfollow a person that he followed and go back, and you see that there are no followings for the user Bob. And Bob can edit his profile. He can say email address and change his first and last name, but he can't change his username. Coming back to his profile, so this is pretty much it about a user's profile. So let's try to leave a review and a rating for the movie Inception. Note the current film nerd rating is 4.7, and if Bob makes any reviews, it is going to make a difference on the average ratings. So Bob can now go to the review page and use this cool drag bar to enter a rating with a precision of 0.1, and Bob loves this film. But you can see that the average rating has changed, and you can see the Bob's review. Now Bob can also report any review. Let's say if this review has a profane word, Bob can just say report and admin will take care of it. So I'm going to log out of a user's profile and I'm going to take you through an admin's perspective. Just use the ID password admin to log in, and note an admin's profile is slightly different than that of a user. An admin is just another regular user. He can do everything just as a user. He has his own reviews and ratings, and is following someone, he can just unfollow them. But the unique thing about admin is he has an admin console that allows him to manage the flag reviews, manage users, manage ratings and reviews. So let's see, I flagged the review of Satius Eye for the movie Inception. Bob flagged it. So if I go to the flagged reviews page, I can see that this user's review for this film and this is the review text is flagged. I see that the text is okay, so I'm gonna keep it. So everything is okay with that review. And someone else reported Raj twice for this, and I don't want to keep this visible for the movie. So I'm gonna remove this because of the profane words. And now if I go to Warcraft movie and see that the review is no longer there. So if I log in as Bob again, and let's say I go to Finding Dory and rate, it says I have already submitted a review. So it does not allow a user to review more than once. Or maybe I can check out my favorite actor and post a profane review. Submit. Now you can see it's here, and some other user maybe reports it, and you so I'm gonna remove this, and if another user logs in and he can see that the review is no longer there. So this is pretty cool. An admin can also manage users. So note that there are 10 active users, and this role manager to make a particular user to admin or not. And there's a update users console that allows you to modify the data. And here is just a view of the current users. So let's just create a user with this console. It's just real quick. So I am creating a user. I can also create admin from this console. Let's say user and say create. Note that the active users is here. I can make this guy an admin by just saying this. Note that quick is created and quick is now an admin. I can say details and save the details, and I can see the reflected changes here. I can also see a user's activity here. So basically this user is not doing anything. So this user has a couple of reviews and he doesn't follow anyone. I can, as an admin, I can follow this user if I like his or her reviews. I can also manage ratings and reviews in this tab. I can see that there are totally 18 reviews in my application now. I can set all the flags in this. If someone flags a review, it appears as flagged true here. I can set it to false or true. I can also update the review or delete. So if I go to manage users and I see the user, he no longer exists. That's the reason why I'm not able to edit him, but I'm not deleting the reviews as such. So let's go back to admin console and manage ratings and reviews. So here we have all the reviews for a film, and maybe I just want to delete this whole review as it doesn't make any sense. No, there are 18 reviews, and let's say I delete this, it's gone. And I can also modify the reviews. Let's say it's a bad movie for this one. If I go here, it says bad movie. So admin is a pretty cool feature, and admin can also search for movies and he can log out. So this is basically my application for you, and I hope everything is covered in this video. Thank you.